out like memories of old. Forests fall and the soil turns cold. Every flame, every flood is a message we ignore. The planet speaks in silence, yet roars at its core. Can you see the trembling of the ancient ground? The answers lie in places we've not yet found. Nature may be silent, but its warnings are written deep in the earth. Every storm, every quake tells a story of our worth. The signs are everywhere. If only we would see. The voice of life is calling.